In this lesson, I'm going to show you how important this project as well as media browser panels. I'm going to start with this project panel. You can see this project panel has the project name. The name of the project is food, and here also you can able to see that this project was saved with the name food.premier project, which is PROJ. That is the short form of premier project. And you can see right now we don't have any multimedia content here. If you want to import, we can able to import that in a two ways. First thing, I can right click inside. I can able to choose the option which is import, and second, you can directly drag and drop from your computer to this project window. Now I choose this, right click, I'm going to choose import. You can see in the import I'm going to choose my desktop, and here I'm going to choose my Premiere Pro projects. You can see I have my own video files. I'm going to choose video files. Here I have two food items. You can see that. I'm going to choose the first one, or I can choose both things. You can see I can able to choose multiple projects here. If you have any image sequence which is exported from any other software like 3D softwares or Photoshop also, you can choose the sequence settings very first image, and you can enable this image sequence so that from that image the continuous all those images will be placed inside this Premiere Pro as we have a video content. So now I was selecting the particular video file. When I choose the video file, here you can able to see we have the file name which is food. When I choose multiple file, you can see we have the file name within single quotes and we have a comma here. So we can able to import multiple video files, and this right hand side shows you what all the file formats are supported with this Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see we have AAF, EVI, almost, and you can able to see all those video file formats as well as different the video engine categories. So I'm going to use these two videos. These two videos are MP4 videos. You can see how beautiful those video thumbnails. So when I choose open, when I choose open, it shows you it was importing those files, and here you have those files in this project window. You can see we have those content in alphabet order. We have the file name which is food first, and we have the production ID, the file name at the second. You can see how we have the arrangement. It has the file name and the file format what we have with this bin folder. It has MP4 and this too has MP4. You can able to extend that file name here if it required, and you can see what is the frame rate of each those video files. This has a 24 frame per second and this has 50 frame per second. So you can able to see the difference between these two videos, and you can see where this media starts and media ends. Of course, both the media files, which is video files, started with 00000, and you can see we have I have four options here. So the first two zeros mentioning the hours, and the second two zeros mentioning that minutes, and this is for seconds, and the last one for milliseconds. And here you can see how we have that video's duration. So this very first video has 0 hours, 0 minutes and 08 seconds, which means 8 seconds duration. You can see that. And this video has a 23 second video, which also has 43 milliseconds duration. So you can able to see all those informations here. You too have the media duration. You can able to see a lot of details here. I just reduce the timelines area. So if you want, you can able to see all those things. Now I reduce this area. I really don't want that much area for this project bin. Now after that I come to this bottom area. In bottom area you can able to have the different viewing modes. I can choose this list view if I want, and I can also have this icon view. So based on your need, you are going to choose which one you want. So I'm going to choose this icon view. This will be very much useful for choosing the particular video from your project folder. If you have huge amount of video files like 50 or 100 or more than 200, so you can use this option also. So with the help of this option, you can able to search the particular video file. For example, I'm going to search food. You can see I can able to show only that that file name having this name, which is food. Now I come to this area, I'm going to choose the word which is ID. So when I choose ID, it can able to show this area, and I'm going to type production. So I can able to see this video which has 23 second as well as 44 millisecond duration. So you can able to search with the help of this option, and we can able to show all those videos with the different appearances here. I have the slider to adjust the thumbnails view. So if you want more visibility for the thumbnail, you can use this option, otherwise you can reduce it. So we have all those options here, and here too we have sort icons. So based on your need, you can able to sort how you want. Like if you want to sort based on the name, I can choose name. You can see how I was sorted. And if you want to sort with the scene or the media type, you can choose whichever is required. So after choosing that, I can also use this ascending order and descending order. We choose descending order. Now you can see how we have that in a descending order. Now we choose ascending order, we have those things in ascending order. So you can able to manage all those content with the help of these options. And you too have this option which is new bin. So with the help of this new bin, you can able to create multiple folders inside this project bin. Like if I am going to use a different shots with the different scenes, I can store all those things in a separate folder, like shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, or scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So I'm going to choose this option which is bin. I click there, you can see I got a new bin. I'm going to give a name food, and I press enter. So you can see we have a new bin. Now I just drag and drop this video inside, and we have both videos inside this bin. So in this way, you can able to have multiple bins according to your need. I just double click inside the bin. I can able to see I have these 2 video files, and here you can able to see inside this project folder we have a bin which is food, and there you have these 2 video files. So this is how we use this particular bin option. Now I come to this place. This is a menu we know, and in this menu you can able to see we have a lot of options. You can disable or enable those thumbnail effects as you require. So you can use this project window in a free way. You have all those bin details as well as project details here. Now I'm going to choose one video file. You can see when I move my mouse over the video, it has the preview, and at the same time at the bottom you can able to see I can able to navigate that videos playback with the help of mouse icon. You can see that wherever I move my mouse, I can able to bring that playhead there. So this is possible with this this project bin itself. You can able to see how I was moving that. So these are the options we have with this project as well as the bin folder. Now I come to this media browser. In this media browser, you can see we have all those local drive access. So you can access the favorite the paths. We have all those local drives. We have network drives too. So if you want to access, you can use those options. And I'm going to use my project folder, and here I'm going to use what I was required. Like I'm going to use those contents. I can able to access all those contents. So if you have, you can use this option. You can able to load all those images or video from your computer. So these are the options we have in this project as well as the media browser panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. So with the help of these options only, we are going to load all those multimedia content inside this Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing work.